Hello guys, welcome in our RU classes. Today we will study Ampere circuital law. Before to start Ampere circuital law, we will study some basic phenomena of the nature. Like if I am trying to create a vacuum at any place, then there will be a low pressure and the nearby areas will have a high pressure. So from high pressure to low pressure, particle will start to move, and this movement can be in a circle, can be in a circulation, can be in a just like a path of cycle, right? So like a current, right, the charge will start move from this place to this place, and this movement of the charge is the lack of charge at starting point. So from at this point, the environment will start to fill that place, like in tornado. So there will be a magnetic field, there will be a field which is the effect of this movement, right? So the total circulation will be strength into length, right, will be constant proportional to a cos. In our case, strength is a magnetic field and the length is, take a dl length and close integration, then there will be a constant total circulation which will be equal to cos, and the cos is I, current. So this is Ampere circuital law in point form, integral form. Right. Just in tornado, when the air heat up, then they will start to move upward. So nearby areas, nearby particles, air particles will start to fill that empty place, and they will start to move towards low pressure, from high pressure to low pressure. So their path will be like this, in a circle, in a cycle, or like a circulation. Exactly in our case. Right. So the strength around the source or cause, that is di by dl, right, that is h. When strength at the cause, right, strength at the cause, di by ds, strength at the current, so we can write is di by dl, d by dl of di by dl, and d by dl is del and di by dl is h, and di by ds is a current density, that is J. But this change in which type? Either in dot product or in cross product. So let's see. So if it is a current carrying wire and this is a magnetic field and this angular path is a H field, right, the path of magnetic field, the direction of H field is in circulation. So the perpendicular to this path, radially outward, is the path of decrement of H field. This is decrement of H field, also perpendicular to the H field, right? And this circle is H field or constant of H field. So field changes in its perpendicular direction. So there will be a cross product. Del cross H is equal to J. This is a point form of Ampere's circuital law. In point form, right? So cross product shows that any vector will change in its perpendicular direction, not in its own direction. So also it says that a vector product will give a vector quantity, right? H, if I take a curl of the H, we will get a vector J. Thank you.